Wow. Hi everybody, this is Chef Preston. I'm the weatherman here at the Chef Preston headquarters. I just want you guys to know that today's a pretty windy day. There's some severe thunderstorms coming our ways. It's very windy, debris flying everywhere. Oh, here comes a gust of wind. I don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, and there's also tornado watches. Tornado watches, guys. We're also gonna go in my woods and to see. Gosh dang! We're also gonna go see in my woods. You know how the damage is. It made a little creek, a little creek. I'm in little flip flops. You can see my feet. Don't make any art of that. That's gonna be strange feet art. Wow, that's a good peanut. Alright, oh, there's a squirrel. I can't really show you. Wow. The woods are looking immaculate. Try not to fall down this big thing. There's a little trench. It makes a little creek. A tree could fall on me at any point, but here it is. It's beautiful. I want to see if a peanut can float through it. Little peanut. Go! Go! Look at him go. Look at him go. You see him? Look at him go. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, Mr. Peanut. I love nature. It's very pure. It's very it's very lighthearted. I'm sorry, it's cold. And although nature is pure, it's also cruel. I'm here to tell you that nature, one way or another, is gonna kick you in the balls. Hurricane Katrina kicked people in the balls really hard. And then, like a volcano in Hawaii. Crazy, dude. And this old wooden stump probably I think I got worms in my feet now. That's a snake hole. Look at him. He wants a little peanut. We gotta feed the animals, guys. Gotta feed the animals. We're almost out of peanuts. Dang. Zang. Zam. I'm out of peanuts. Oh, man. My pants are wet. Everything is really cold and windy. That's basically it, guys. I mean, basically it. A lot of debris, a lot of everything falling. So, you know, watch yourselves, because you never know what's right across the door. Okay, I gotta get in. All right. So, we're not over yet. Weatherman. You know, Chef Weather. That's a good one. I got some rotten squash. Me at the senior home. I didn't say anything. You never heard anything. Okay. I'm gonna throw this down the hill. Cause I'm a little weak little boy. And yeah. Here we go. Gotta get a little run up. Actually, you know what? What are we doing? This is sad. I got a better idea for this little boy. Ew, I just stepped in more. Oh my word! You know what? Ew, it touched me! Oh, I didn't get anything on my nice little hoodie, but it touched me. Imagine that. I was gonna give it a peaceful burial, but when you touch me, dude, I'm gonna touch you back. Okay. Oh, that sounded weird, especially for a guy who works at a daycare. But pause. Yeah, that was really weird. I probably shouldn't have said that. That was really weird. That was really, dang it. And by the way, guys, I do not have any bones in my backyard, and if I do, they're not mine. Because those aren't my bones. All right. Hope you enjoyed this short little weather video. Wasn't entertaining? I don't know. Was it?